I'm introducing a trunk cargo cover, which is specifically designed for Jeep Wrangler 2-door 2007 to the latest model. It provides full coverage and privacy to the cargo area and is amazingly easy to install. The only tool you need to use is the Torque T40 screwdriver. If you're using a quick release bolt, you don't need any tools. I'm going to show you how to install it. It's that easy.
GPCA cargo cover provides 4 flexible configurations to cover your cargo space, no matter if your back seat is up, down, folded, or removed.
I drive my JK everywhere, to work, to the gym, grocery shopping, and on many camping trips, but privacy matters. Now my trunk is covered and ready to go. Now my trunk is covered and ready to go.
Across the sky.